In this video I will show you how to make the background blur of any image. Hello guys, what's up? Shayan here, and today in this video I will show you how to make the background blur of any image using Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. So first what you have to do, you have to unlock your background layer. So just double click and hit OK. So my layer is unlocked. Then select your quick selection tool and make a prominent selection of your object. You have to select very prominently so that it doesn't look artificial. So I have selected my object, but a part of a sky has entered in my object, so I have to deselect it. So I'm deselecting the part of the sky. So now I have selected my object very clearly and prominently. So now what you have to do, you have to just press Ctrl J and you can see that a new layer had formed along with your object and transparent background. So now you have to select your background layer, then select your move tool and now go to your filter, blur, lens blur, and a new dialog will open in Photoshop. So nothing you have to do with it, just press OK and you can see that the background is blurred and my object is in focus. So now if you see any of glitches regarding the blur, so you have to adjust your object. So to do that, just select your object, then press Ctrl T to transform your object. Just resize your object according to your problem. So I am just making it a quite bit large. So you can see that I have done it. So my object is properly in focus and my background has blurred without any problem. So if I hide this layer, so you can see that the difference. So I have done, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends so that they can also make their background blur. Subscribe to my channel now and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos, and comment below if you have any problem regarding this video. So bye for now guys, see you in the next video.